Hey guys, let's take a look at problem number 9 now. An object is thrown horizontally at a velocity of 15 meters per second from the top of a building. If the object hits the ground 90 meters from the base of the building, how high was the building? The first step, as always, is to draw a picture. So we're throwing an item horizontally off of a building, and it's going to land some distance, 90 meters, away from that building. Using this information, we're looking for the height. So we draw things up, and I draw a vector arrow that's moving completely straight off the building and label that as 15 meters per second squared. I'm also going to label the distance it went, 90 meters, and mark on there that I'm looking for the height. I'll put that in purple there. Because this is a projectile motion problem, we need to split this into horizontal and vertical components. The horizontal part's the easiest. That's because the velocity stays the same, so we can use our v equals d over t formula, or distance divided by time. We can then rearrange that so that we find our time is equal to displacement over velocity, and put our numbers in for it. And that gives us 6 seconds that it took to hit the ground. Now, the vertical side we have to take into account gravity, so this is accelerating. So we can look on our formula sheet and find a formula that involves acceleration that will help us find the height. So we'll use the height is equal to initial velocity times time plus 1/2 acceleration, which is gravity times time squared. Now remember, this left horizontally off the building, so there is no vertical initial velocity, so we can cross that part off. Then the next step is to just simplify this formula up. So our height is equal to 1/2 times gravity times our time squared. Pop that into your calculator and you get 176 meters. That's all there is for this problem. Remember, every time you do projectile motion problems, you need to split it up into horizontal and vertical components. All right, see you soon.